Hey, we got lots going on. We got the lunar eclipse coming up tomorrow night. Do you know this? It's the supermoon that's going into eclipse. It's also a partial eclipse. So this isn't really that big of a dazzler. I mean, coming off of that solar eclipse we had earlier in the year, I mean, this is nothing. Sorry. But the Earth casts shadow on the moon. It starts at 8:41. It peaks at 10:44. This is a very convenient time, right? This isn't in the wee hours of the morning. 8% of the moon recovered. And honestly, you may not even notice it. It's just the barely a faded shadow that gets onto the moon. It's also a supermoon, and it's a harvest moon. 81 Malden right now, 76 in Chelsea. Our temperatures have cooled off in Beverly up to Boxford, too, pushing in that sea breeze, and Reading at 77. On the other end of the spectrum, still in the lower 80s and mid-80s out there, Waltham and Newton. What a day. 74 in Hull, 72 in Lynn, 71 in Gloucester with our sea breeze all the way down through Marshfield. 80 in Worcester, 69 out in Chatham right now. Dew point's very, very dry. What is this? Well, yeah, Bedford at 34. Good thing we don't have a lot of wind. Current fire danger could be up a little bit because it has been dry. But it looks like tonight we'll get back into the 50s and maybe just some upper 40s here and there. The wildfire smoke is still with us. It's that haze that you see in the sky, and it's with us tomorrow, too, by the way, and into Tuesday, perhaps, as some haze sits over us. It's elevated, so you won't be able to smell the smoke, but still, it does tint the sun a little bit. 82 for a high temperature tomorrow. We should negate our sea breeze, more of a southwest breeze, and 84 in Natick, 80 in Plymouth. Wow. Wednesday, we still manage 80 in some spots, but along the coast, the sea breeze gets a little bit more pronounced, dives a little bit deeper out through 495 into the afternoon. So everybody cools off, and Wednesday, we start to see the clouds increase. Thursday could be the day, finally, we get some wet weather, and that could dawdle into Friday as well. It's from this, which was a potential tropical storm, but then it faded out and it moved inland. Actually, you know what? Honestly, it's not on land just yet. Would you believe the center of circulation is right here where the sun is out? We have a swirl there, but most of the thunderstorms are over Wilmington. Weather is weird, I know. Winds to 35 miles an hour. It moves inland and fades here in the next couple of days. But the remnants of this are what we're watching. Here it is in all its glory by Thursday or Wednesday night. About 2 a.m., we might see some showers start to move on to Cape Cod, and then more kind of just try to move into southern New England. What's happening is we're blocking this storm from coming north with a big high pressure system. So therein is the issue, right? Are we going to really block it entirely, or are we going to block some of it? Some of us maybe just enough to wet our lips, others enough maybe to get a good puddle or two, and maybe a good soaking in some cases if we get a couple of bands of rain. This high over this low is what we know is a blocking pattern, so the high is not going to give up much ground. And honestly, this low may sit here for days on end and just tease us with clouds, onshore breezes, and keep us just right near the edge of the rain. But we're on 6th place so far for the driest stretches on record in Boston. 27 days. That's not counting today, which would be 28. So here we are, right, in record territory. 10-day forecast has some wet weather in it. I think we'll get some wind along the coastline on Thursday. The weekend, you know, struggles with the sun. It's not going to be warm either. We're back into the 60s. Autumn arrives at 8:43. Maybe this will be the weekend to go apple picking.